First, log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Google Apps icon. Scroll down to More, and you'll find Google Forms. Click to open it. Start by giving your form a title. For example, Demographics. And add a description if you'd like. Next, type your first question. For example, a gender question. Under the options, type male for option 1 and female for option 2. To add more questions, click the plus button. If you want to change the type of response, like short answer, drop-down, or checkboxes, use the drop-down menu next to the question. Once your survey is ready, click Send at the top. You can send it via email, copy the link to share. If you want to edit anything, you can also change the title, description, add images, videos, or delete any question you no longer need. To view responses, click the Responses tab. From here, you can see how many people completed your survey. You can also create a Google Sheet to export the data and later use it in Excel, SPSS, SAS, or any analysis software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.